In the previous blog, we covered how Acumatica creates an impact, unifying complex manufacturing updates, streamlining the production layout, and automating processes from planning to production, all the way to distribution. But running on default settings, even with an ERP as good as Acumatica, might not give you the desired output you're looking for. Take this for example, a manufacturer is struggling with frequent changes in product designs. Acumatica does help with managing multi-level BOM and revisions. But an out-of-the-box Acumatica setup will find it difficult to align with a company's change management processes. Versions over versions and conflicts can derail the production pace. Now consider time-phased material requirement planning. When a make-to-order industrial equipment manufacturer faced frequent stockouts and overstock due to poor material planning, the automated ERP was efficient in its part, yet he couldn't achieve optimum shelf maintenance. This hindered the production workflow significantly. The issue can even be as minute as UOM conversion. Acumatica's default UOM settings can't handle dynamic conversions accurately across purchasing, inventory, and production. Without precise UOM handling, costing, and stock visibility can turn out incorrect. Overall, just ordering a well-to-do ERP right at your doorstep will not boost your company's profits off the roof. Your workflow isn't a straight path, it's a curvy road with gaps. An ERP consultant's job is to align your ERP according to that curvy workflow. That same Acumatica BOM module, when configured to implement revision-controlled BOM, allows the ERP to track multiple versions of a product simultaneously. This automated tracking of product revisions can reduce scrap and rework by up to 20%. Likewise, consultants conduct detailed lead time analysis and develop custom MRP exception reports, highlighting late deliveries and material shortages. The result? Reduced inventory carrying costs by 15%, and improved supplier communication via automated alerts on order status and delays. Consultants also configure Acumatica to translate units across modules like purchasing to production, and set smart rules like rounding limits or safety stock triggers, things that default settings simply can't manage precisely. And since Acumatica is a cloud-native platform, these configurations aren't tied down by on-premise limitations. Consultants can optimize and scale your ERP environment with the same agility your operations demand. Transform your ERP from basic to brilliant. Talk to a manufacturing ERP consultant today.